Sophie and Liam's love story began on a rainy afternoon in a cozy little bookshop. Sophie, a literature enthusiast, was lost in the pages of a poetry collection when Liam, an aspiring artist, accidentally knocked over a stack of books. Their laughter filled the quiet shop, and from that moment on, their lives intertwined in a beautiful dance of love, creativity, and shared dreams. For 6 years, they built a life together, weathering the challenges of tight finances while always finding joy in the little things, a shared cup of coffee, late-night walks, or Liam sketching Sophie as she read. Despite their happiness, Liam felt a void. He wanted to take their love to the next level and propose, but he wanted it to be perfect. Liam worked tirelessly, taking on extra portrait commissions to save money for an engagement ring. One day, while wandering through the city, he discovered a tiny, hidden jewelry shop tucked away in a quiet alley. Inside, an elderly shopkeeper named Mr. Harris greeted him warmly. Among the shop's collection, one ring stood out. It wasn't flashy or extravagant but simple and timeless, a thin gold band with an intricate vine design, crowned by a small sapphire that glimmered like the evening sky. Mr. Harris explained that the ring had a story. It was crafted decades ago for a couple whose love endured against all odds. "This ring," Mr. Harris said, "is for a love that's meant to last forever." Liam felt an instant connection. He purchased the ring, pouring his heart and savings into the symbol of their enduring love. Excited, he planned the perfect proposal at the park where they shared their first kiss. He decorated their favorite oak tree with twinkling fairy lights and hung photos of their happiest moments together. On the day of the proposal, Liam carried the ring in his coat pocket, rehearsing his speech in his head. But as he walked through the crowded city streets, he didn't notice a small hole in his pocket. Somewhere along the way, the ring slipped out and was lost. When Liam reached the park and realized the ring was gone, his heart sank. He retraced his steps for hours, searching every corner of the streets he had walked, but it was nowhere to be found. Defeated, he canceled the proposal and spent the evening on their apartment balcony, staring at the city lights with the weight of disappointment crushing him. Sophie noticed his unusual silence and tried to cheer him up, but Liam couldn't bring himself to explain. Days passed, and Sophie continued to worry, sensing something was wrong. Meanwhile, Liam struggled to accept the loss, blaming himself for ruining their special moment. Then, fate intervened. While volunteering at a local community shelter, Sophie met a little girl named Mia who proudly showed her a ring she had found in the park. Sophie was struck by the ring's unique design and felt it might inspire Liam's next sketch. She brought it home and handed it to him, saying, "Look what I found. Isn't it beautiful?" The moment Liam saw the ring, his breath caught. It was the ring, the one he had thought was lost forever. Tears welled in his eyes as he looked at Sophie, who was now puzzled by his reaction. Unable to hold back, he dropped to one knee, holding the ring up to her. "Sophie," he began, his voice shaking, "I bought this ring for you. I wanted to tell you how much you mean to me, how I can't imagine my life without you. I thought I lost it, and with it, my chance to ask you this. But now it's back, and I think it's a sign. Will you marry me?" Sophie's eyes filled with tears as she realized the depth of Liam's love and the significance of the ring. Laughing through her tears, she whispered, "Yes. 1,000 times, yes." Liam slid the ring onto her finger, and they embraced, the weight of the past week melting away. The ring, with its story of endurance and fate, had found its way back to them, just as their love always would. From that day forward, the ring became more than just a symbol of their engagement. It was a testament to their journey, a love that was meant to be, no matter what twists and turns life threw their way. The end.